At Payara, we are building something truly special and exceptional together.
So collaboration and culture for me is being able to work with a lot of different people from different backgrounds.
It's another fantastic opportunity to meet everybody in the company.
Payara Retreat is the annual get-together of all the Payarans. Because we are a remote-first company,
We've all got different experiences, different skills and knowledge.
What we value at Payara is people's creativity and passion.
And we all get to learn from each other all the time. We are always learning new things every single day.
And just being able to socially talk to people, work on different projects cross-functionally.
Being remote first and 100% remote is fantastic for all of them, but actually coming together allows us to build relationships, collaborate.
Then we move into working on strategy.
everybody gets aligned, we can understand where we're going in the business, and so everybody's heading in the same direction.
Payara has given me kind of a massive accelerated growth of my career already.
As a new software engineer at Payara, my journey has evolved by developing my current skills with Java and working with new frameworks such as JSF, turning me into a more complete software engineer.
We ensure that those people are interacting with people outside of their normal teams, so we ensure that there's mixed groups. We have a great time, we have lunch, we have breakfast together, and then in the evenings we get to socialise.
The journey that Payara has taken me from when I was 18 to now being 23, I've been here for 5 years, has been crazy. There's been so much change, and it's been great, and I can't wait to see more change that's coming in the future.
So the Payara Retreat is really important for Payarans because it brings them together, builds those social bonds, and those social bonds can then last for the whole year. What I'm most proud of when it comes to retreat is essentially just the size of the team. Every year the retreat gets bigger and bigger, and every year we see more and more Payarans.
Getting to meet all the people that we talk and chat and work virtually, getting to see them once in a year so we can put everything together and push the company forward is the biggest part for me of Payara Retreat.